Hello, I am going to talk to you about how to solve one-step multiplication and division equations. An important thing to know, and one word I will be using a lot, is inverse. Inverse means the opposite. So when I'm dealing with multiplication and division, the opposite of multiplication is division, and the opposite of division is multiplication. So let me show you an example. If I have 18w equals 36, this means 18 times W equals 36. Something I teach my students, so if you're one of my students, you've already heard this, is the first thing you have to do is ask, what is my variable? Well, in this instance, my variable is W. The variable is whatever the letter of the alphabet in your word problem is, or your problem is. Next, what are they doing to the variable? Well, in this one, they are multiplying it by 18. So how do I do the opposite? Well, in order to do the opposite, I have to divide it by 18. However, due to the division property of equality, if I divide on one side of my equation, I have to divide on the other side of the equal sign. So 18 divided by 18 cancels itself out and becomes 1. 36 divided by 18 equals 2. I'm going to bring my equal sign down, and I'm going to bring my W down, and I will be done with this problem. Let me do another example. If I am doing W divided by 3 equals 10. In this scenario, it's a little bit different. As a sixth grader, I have been teaching you that division is the same thing as a fraction. So I am going to write it as a fraction. W divided by 3 equals 10. Now, what's the variable? Well, in this scenario, my variable is W. What are they doing to it? They're dividing it by 3. So how do I do the opposite? The opposite of division is multiplication. So I am going to multiply this side by 3 and multiply this side by 3. However, as this is a fraction, I know that a whole number over 1 is the fraction. So I'm just going to write 3 even though it really equals 3 over 1. Now my 3's are going to cancel themselves out, and I'm going to have W on this side, bring my equal sign down, and 10 times 3 equals 30. I hope this example helped.